Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a pterodactyl. Let's start off with a head by drawing a line that comes down at an angle, jogs slightly like so, and then curves back and widens out. For the lower jaw and neck, start here and draw a line that curves up and then dips down and out. At the top, extend the head slightly with a tight curve coming back down, and then along the neck we drew earlier. For the wing, start at the top of the neck and draw a big sweeping line that goes up and to the right. Then, draw a large C-shaped curve that goes down, followed by a much smaller C-shaped curve below to start the legs. From the neck, extend that line to the right, with a bump like so for the belly that extends here at the legs. For the feet, draw a big hook shape like so for a talon, followed by another hook shape behind for the other talon. A bit to the left, draw another leg just like the first one for the other side. For the other wing, start just a tiny bit before the end of the line here, and mirror the first wing by making it swoop up and to the left. And at the tip, draw a line that curves to the right and down to finish the wing. To add some more detail, draw a line that follows the curve of the wing here, and another one for the other wing. Then, draw a slight curve over here where the wing meets the body. And lastly, add a dot on the head for the eye. And now you've got a pterodactyl.